personal reasons, I will nickname myself as Frankie, and this is the avatar that Kevin made for me. I am Kevin's friend and business partner. Me and him started up a company 2 years ago. We named it Cyberworld 7 due to the fact that we were attempting to start up a virtual reality arcade. The number 7 was because it is Kevin's lucky number, but I will let him tell his story.
My name is Kevin. I am the CEO of Cyberworld 7. The reason why 7 is my lucky number is because I was born on July 7, 1987. 777. I have somewhere in the range of $2 million total. I have been in the stock market for 8 years plus. I made a lot of investing mistakes in my life, but I also had some really good wins. I got rich off 2 companies, AMD and Aurora Cannabis. If you want to hear more about that story, check out my AMD stock story. I hope my company will one day go public. I am very ambitious and hope to bring a company to $1 billion. I hope to improve my video live stream, but ultimately you, my viewers, will be the judge of that. Now I'm going to pass it back to Frankie to finish off the video. I would like to apologize about my bad grammar beforehand. It is an ongoing problem that I cannot seem to fix.
We truly believe in the business structure of Aurora, and with that, we also have come to the realization that our fortune is dependent on how well Aurora does, until we can find another company for us to invest into. We're very excited to see where Aurora is heading next couple years. Join our social media platforms and grow with us as a group. Thanks for watching this short introduction. I hope you guys have a great day.